VIEZU's winter offer on KESS3 Tuning Business Startup Kit is now on. This is your chance to start a professional tuning business with the tools and support you need, including KESS3 hardware, 1 year's subscription, protocols, 5 free tuning credits, a C-TEK battery stabilizer, training, marketing support, and an industry-recognized IMI-Accredited qualification. And now, with even more flexibility. The KESS3 kit is available now for only £1,999. But here's what's new. The kit now includes car and LCV bench and boot protocols along with the OBD protocols at no extra cost. That's an additional £890 plus VAT in added value, bringing your total savings to well over £1,000. With these bench and boot protocols, you'll have greater flexibility and control over tuning, allowing you to meet more customers' needs from day one. But that's not all. For those looking to expand their capabilities even further, there's an exclusive offer on truck and agricultural protocols. Simply add truck and agri OBD protocols to your kit, and we'll include truck and agri bench and boot protocols at no additional cost. This enhanced KESS3 kit gives more than a tool. It's the foundation for building a profitable tuning business, supported by comprehensive in-person or online setup and IMI-accredited training options, ensuring you'll have all the skills to use it with confidence. The winter offer is only on until 19th of January 2025. So start your new year with a new business opportunity with the KESS3 Tuning Business Startup Kit. Or get in touch with our team on 01789 774444 or email info@viezu.com to find out more.